In this video we are going to see about mode of the normal distribution. So this is the derivation part. I am going to derive the mode of the normal distribution. So in the discrete random variable, in the discrete data type, the mode is nothing but repeated item. Okay, mode is repeated item now, but normal distribution is a continuous type. So in the continuous type, when I am going to express x as a mode when f of x is maximum. ஓகேவா, ஸோ கரஸ்பாண்டிங்காக இருக்கிற எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் மேக்ஸிமமாக இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்ல முடியும்னா எக்ஸ் இஸ் அவர் மோட். we can define x is our mode. Okay, so we have to prove f of x is a maximum. மேக்ஸிமம்னு எடுத்தால் தான் நம்ம இதை சொல்ல முடியும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபார் த மேக்ஸிமம் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி we already know that maximum of f of x is nothing but when I am going to consider f dash of x and I am going to define this is equal to 0, and from that we can find the x value. Okay, so I am substitute in that second derivative. So this value is less than 0, this value is less than 0, then x become a maximum value. ஓகேவா, ஸோ இப்படி இருந்தால் தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸை வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, so this is the definition of maximum. So this only I am going to prove. So this is the process. Mode of the normal distribution. Okay, so what is the f of x? Probability density function of normal distribution. f of x is equal to 1 by sigma into square root of 2 pi e power minus x minus mu the whole square divided by 2 into sigma square. Okay, so this is our probability density function of normal distribution. So I am going to take log on both side. Okay, so I am going to take log on both side. So log எடுத்தா என்ன வரும்? log of f of x, log of f of x is equal to, okay, so this is in the product, so this is become addition. So log of 1 by sigma root 2 pi plus log of e power minus x minus mu the whole square divided by 2 sigma square. Okay, so the log and e become cancel. So we get log of f of x is equal to, and this term is a constant, log of 1 by sigma root 2 pi. So I am going to consider this as c. So c, so log e cancel ஆயிமா, so minus of 1 by 2 sigma square x minus mu square. Okay, minus of x minus mu square divided by 2 sigma square. Okay, so now I am going to differentiate this one. So differentiate on both side. Okay, so what is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. Log x is 1 by x. Okay, so I am going to differentiate this one. So log x is equal to 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So which is equal to differentiation of constant term is 0. So minus 1 by sigma square. 1 by sigma square. So I am going to differentiate this one. So this is become 2 into x minus mu. Okay, so bracket இருக்கிறதுக்கு differentiate பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1. அப்போ 2 into x minus mu into 1 divided by 2 sigma square. So 2 become cancel. So we get 1 by sigma square into x minus mu. Okay, 1 by sigma square into x minus mu. So this is our f dash of x. Okay, so நம்ம என்ன consider பண்ணணும், f dash of x equal to 0 அப்படின்னு assume பண்ணிட்டு we have to find the point. that maximum point we have to find. Okay, so minus 1 by sigma square x minus mu f of x is equal to 0. So we know that this is not 0. So 1 by sigma square is going to be 0 and f of x is not also going to be 0. So the rendu 0 ஆகாது. So அப்போ x minus mu equal to 0. அப்போ x is equal to mu. Okay. So அப்போ x is equal to mu அப்படின்னு second derivative substitute பண்ணணும். So less than 0 அப்படின்னு வந்துச்சுன்னா we get this is a maximum value. X is equal to mu. X is equal to mean is the maximum value. Okay. So for that I am going to consider the second derivative. Second derivative f double dash of x. Okay. So f double dash of x. F double dash of x is equal to, so I am going to take minus 1 by sigma square as common. So this is in the form of uv. Okay. So x minus mu into f dash of x minus mu into f dash of x plus f of x into yes, f of x into, so the differentiate பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும் 1 minus 0, so we get 1. So this is our f dash of x minus 1 by sigma square x minus mu f dash of x plus f of x. Okay. Okay. So in the place of f dash of x, I am going to substitute the value of f dash of x. So we get, so இங்க மட்டும் நான் substitute பண்ணுறேன். So we get minus 1 by sigma square x minus mu the whole square. So it is occurs 2 times, so whole square f of x. Okay, so f dash of x வேலை substitute பண்ணியிருக்கேன். So here is f of x. So இதான் நம்ம bracket குள்ள இருக்கு. Okay, so we can take f of x as common. So f double dash of x is equal to minus f of x divided by sigma square 1 minus x minus mu the whole square divided by sigma square. Okay, Mama. So next, so this one is already yes. So f dash of x is equal to 0 அப்படின்னு substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா x is equal to mu அப்படின்னு கிடைக்கும். So I am going to substitute x is equal to mu in the f double dash of x. Okay. So அப்போ x is equal to mu substitute பண்ணுங்க. So mu substitute பண்ணா, so this term becomes 0. So this term becomes 0 and this term become 1. Okay. So அப்போ f double dash of x is equal to minus f of x divided by sigma square. Okay. So what is the f of x probability? Density function of normal distribution. So 1 by sigma into square root of 2 pi e power minus x minus mu the whole square divided by 2 sigma square. Okay. So in that expansion of f of x, I am going to substitute x is equal to mu. X is equal to mu and substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா, so in the term full 0 ஆயிரும். Okay. So by e power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So we get f of x is equal to 1 by sigma into square root of 2 pi. Okay. So this term is always negative. So this is less than 0. Okay. So நம்மளோட condition என்னது, f dash of x is equal to 0 அப்படின்னு எடுத்தோன்னா நம்மளோட point x is equal to mu. ஓகேவா. ஸோ இந்த mu f double dash of mu அப்படின்னு substitute பண்ணிங்கன்னா, ஸோ this one is less than 0 வந்துருச்சு. ஓகேவா. ஸோ அப்போ நமக்கு mu தான் நம்மளோட maximum point. So maximum is nothing but mode. Okay. So mu is our mode, mean. So mean equal to mode. So in the normal distribution, mean and mode are equal. Okay.